Hello, namaste, Tilly here. Thank you for joining me. So today we are doing candle breath. So I have my candle here ready and lit, but please feel free to do this either as without a flame or as a imagination, so we can close our eyes and imagine that we have a candle in front of us. And we can do exactly the same thing, but just really using our imagination. But today, for the purpose of this exercise, obviously, if you are doing this breathing exercise with your children, please be super careful. So I've lit my candle, and you can do this anywhere. I'm sitting on a chair for this one, and a really nice exercise to do with your children. Now we're going to take some really nice slow breaths today, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we should be getting quite good at this. This is maybe our 5th video, I think. And really carefully not to blow the candle out. We just want the candle flame to wiggle. So I'm going to do this a couple of times. I might also try this with my eyes closed. And with our eyes closed, we're really trying to imagine that we can still see that candle flame flickering and waving from side to side. So really slow breaths. And just a really good mindful exercise. It's just looking at the flame. Fire is a really incredible gift that we have on this world, one of our elements. And just focus on the way that the flame begins to be really peaceful, and how the colours are different from the bottom of the wick right to the very top of the flame. Notice how the wax is beginning to melt around. And your challenge is to see if you can get that flame to stand really still. All the time we're still breathing in through our nose and out through the mouth really slowly. And then the funnest bit is when we get to blow the candle out, and this is when we are going to do a really big exhale. So breathing in through the nose and there we go. There is candle breathing. Let me know how you get on. Enjoy. Let's explore the power of the breath and let's be mindful together. Namaste. I will see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.